Mountain, boys.
Let's get that Birch Knob section under your belt.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm Nick, and you're watching Smokey V's Natural. We're back on the Pine Mountain Trail this weekend. We're going to do the Birch Knob shelter and help our bro Chad finish his epic section hike. Can't wait. Got some wonderful views, an awesome shelter, and the coolest fire tire. So we see you down the trail. Trail bros. We have come across Staircase Caves. Oh, there's a stick in the way. Oh goodness, look at that. Dude, that is so cool. Something creepy ahead. What could it be? Is it a Sasquatch? Oh my God, how ugly is that? That is so cool.
Now I've got to go.
That's pretty wild. We're now on the search for a hidden arch called Skyview. This will be awfully interesting to find. Nothing like bushwhacking in the mountains with my buddies.
Or we fall. Let's not do that.
That is so cool. This is probably one of the coolest arches I've ever seen. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. It's either Skyview or Bullhole. But man, this thing is epic. I think we've counted 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 arches way in the back. Wild ride getting down in here too. Oh. Absolutely beautiful.
He's safe.
You see a trailblaze? Great. Wow. What a view. Samuel is showing us the way through the gauntlet. This reroute is no joke. Ice storms 2 years ago didn't make it any easier. Just starting, you blaze right through it. Good job.
Good job, everybody.
All right, well, we made it to camp. We got through the gauntlet of the reroute. I think there's the trail way back there. I think we might still be slightly on the reroute, but either way, we're out of that mess. And we found a nice camp spot on top of the mountain. Oh, feels good to be at camp. All right, we'll see you in the morning. Good night.
Basically bushwhacking today. That reroute is harder than most of the bushwhacks we've done. Pretty decent.
Good morning. Awfully very windy morning. It was down into low 30s last night, and the winds came in and warmed everything up, so now it's 40 degrees. It's not often when you go camping that it gets warmer overnight.
Where's the wind coming from right now?
Everywhere.
Probably kind of flowing through this gap.
This gap, yeah. It's hot oatmeal. But it's good. All right, back on the trail again. We are now, or I guess we could say we got the tough part out of the way. Yesterday's reroute section, just bushwhacking for hours, was a pain in the butt. But we got that behind us. And now we're on our way to Birch Knob. Can't wait. We're gonna have an awesome mountaintop overlook, and then one of the coolest shelters to stay in. Can't wait. We'll see you down the trail. should have kept my mouth shut when I said we were done with reroutes. We've only done 4 miles, or not even 4 miles, and we've been on trail for a little over 2 hours. We found more reroute, and we spent the morning bushwhacking and just searching for trailblazes. So, yikes, that's a lot of mud. Whoa! Anywho, stopped for lunch. We're all nice and fed and ready to get to Birch Knob.
They ought to call that slip and slide rock.
I remember a part like this on the Island section. That is pretty nasty.
Whew. We have finally finished probably the toughest section of trail in the state of Kentucky and parts of Virginia. Oh, got a 2.5 mile road walk up to Birch Knob Tower, and then some amazing views and one awesome camping shelter. What was that you said? Huh? You won't admit it now, huh? Look at that. Oh. You know, we're up and over one mountain, and that's our next destination. It's about 4:45. It's gonna get dark soon, so we're hoping to get up there and maybe see the sunset at the top of the tower. But here in a second, we ought to be able to get a really good view of the tower itself from right here. But, and a shaky camera. Yeah. There it is. Not quite, but right up there in those rocks. All right, we're almost here. The view is getting really good.
Wow.
Chad,
Yes?
thoughts?
I do kind of feel like crying, actually.
My,
Oh, wow.
my. Look at that view. Those 3 mountains right there. That's where we came from. Oh my goodness. So wonderful. Well, we finally made it. One of the most beautiful views that I could ever see in Kentucky. Being able to see so many states in one spot. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, I can't even speak. This spot is one of my favorite spots. There it is. Absolutely beautiful. There it is, boys. Yeah, baby. All right, show you home sweet home for the evening. Nice, awesome loft. Oh, super cool, super cool. All right, got some trail signatures. Love it, love it. Oh, it's been a wonderful day, been a tough day. Oh, but that view at the end of the night made it all worthwhile. All right, we'll see you in the morning. Good night. Three nights in the Pine Mountain. Well, good morning, everybody. We had a wonderful time at the shelter last night. Just chilling up in the loft, eating food, and just telling good old stories. Got about 13 more miles to the bottom of the mountain. And I think there's a couple mountains we got to get over to get to that one. Oh goodness, we're gonna hit up Jenny Falls here shortly. It's a lovely, lovely waterfall. So I can't wait to show you. We'll see you down the trail. Well, it came down to it. The sprinkles wouldn't hold up. The jackets are on. Yeah. Oh. The weather's wonderful. Other than it's raining, it's upper 40s and it feels amazing. Lit. So when you find an unopened can of Busch Light on trail, what do? Chug!
L'chaim.
Woo! Yeah, now you gotta pack it out.
Okay.
This is our last overlook. Elkhorn City is right below us. Right there. If you can see it, that little clearing to the left of the river, in the middle of the screen, is the parking lot where we're going. Way down there.
I don't know how we did it. I don't know how. Somehow we did it.
All right. Yet another adventure complete. And officially, the whole trail tribe has completed the PMT. Congratulations, Chad.
Thank you. I'm coming, don't worry.
Hi guys. Oh. Hey, yo, back at it again. Back at it again with the trail tribe again. Going through the mountains in the woods, through thick and thin. I'm a bad rapper, and I know it, because I ain't got no pen. He's safe. Oh, it hit my big toe. Hey y'all, Dixie here. In the deep, dark hills of Kentucky, that's where the Pine Mountain lays. We rest our weary heads.
Think about you.
I'll come get it.
Y'all not trust me?
They don't trust me.
How about that peak bag?